welcome back to the channel. It's Merritt and we're back with the Miata, and on today's video I'm going to be installing a Racing Beat sway bar and end links. I'm really excited for this install because it just helps me make the Miata drive just a little bit better, and I'm really excited to see what kind of changes it'll cause in the handling of the car. But without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm so excited for this unboxing. I'm at school getting my education.
Oh, you're doing the sway bars?
Yeah, car jacked up. Let's start by taking these off like this. Get it on there and then pull it. Damn, it's pretty awkward. And we got two more on this side. These are 12mm bolts. Now I have all 4 bolts. I don't know if you can see it, but it would probably help to spray some WD-40 at that, or no. I know the other side of my car is absolutely disgusting. Oop, that's my pen. Okay, let's go to the other side. The other side. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Absolutely disgusting. This car is as clapped out as you might think it is. Oh god. It's even worse than what you might think it is. Would like it to say Racing Beat right side up. Just to put this grease on here. Take this off. Looks familiar. Whoa! You hear that your mom joke over there? That's brutal. I'd be like an absolute freaking animal. I got a little bit ahead of myself, and I think I'm just gonna do it. Huh. Okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Ah, the thumb wrench technique.
Oh, I'm doing it.
You should get a breaker bar from the tour. There you go. And there we go. Mechanical advantage.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. Can I not? Can I not? Can I? Okay, the end links are 14mm. And it's probably useful to have a wrench, especially when you're first getting it loose. I don't know how well you can even see that. Oop. Okay. Woohoo! Boom. 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 Ah. Okay. Well, I probably should. Oh god. What's happening? What did I do? Hold on, stop, let go of it.
I wasn't touching it at all.
That wasn't you. Just watch your head.
1500s. There's there's a decent
Come on.
amount of like the K50.
Look at that difference. Holy crap. Upgrades on upgrades, baby.
Yeah.
Okay. I am like hella ape brain right now. I'm so excited. I'm really hardcore ape. I'm really ape braining it right now. I'm so happy. Am I dumb? Oh.
Maybe. Let's see. That's a subjective opinion.
No, I'm not. Haha, I figured it out. Here it is. Oh, I think we have. I want to make sure. I'm probably gonna have to go through and just readjust these. Just make sure that I have even. But like, why? Huh? Hmm? It's like weirdly too tall. There we go. Come on, baby girl. Yeah. There we go. The bushings on this, everything destroyed. I have everything tightened down. It's just a matter of torque for these sway bar bushings. Looking at 25 to 36. Start at 25. We're gonna go up to 36. I'm looking at 31 on the first go. I put my wrench somewhere right down there. And then 45. And the thing is at 44.8. Hold on a minute. Where's my phone? Okay, all right. For a second I was like, did it say inch pounds?
No, I don't think you have inch pounds.
Yeah, I know.
Inch pounds are like set for like a quantum of an inch.
But I am paranoid, okay? It's called being paranoid. This is the last set of torquings that I have to do, and then I'm all done. And I could go and I could drive my car around and go vroom vroom. Yeah, that's in there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She's solid. She's really solid. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe because I really enjoy making these for you, so let me know how you feel. Also, the Miata has been driving really, really great with the sway bar and end links on. It's been feeling so much better. It handles so good. But I guess we'll just keep doing stuff and making it better because this is what I like to do. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!